Bullish helium cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $13.19 and $24.91 by 2030. Market examiners accept HNT could reach $10.26 by 2025. Bearish helium market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.34. Helium presentation. Helium organization is a biological system zeroed in on the web of things even without legitimate Wi-Fi inclusion. For example, when your web gadget like your electric vehicle or well-being checker is far away from the web, how would you interface with your fundamental requirements? That is the issue that Helium has embarked to determine by laying out a channel that permits a less expensive and greater association with the web to assist the clients with continuing to screen and monitor their day-to-day exercises without hedge. This environment has opened another degree of advanced innovation. So in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this helium biological system, its cost presentation since origin, the basics fundamental the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecasts. With the consistent vacillations on the lookout, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the presentation of your speculation would be from specialized investigation mastery. What is helium? Each biological system is put forth out in light of an objective, whether it is in man-made consciousness, well-being, operations, organization, or cooperation. Their guides generally showed their arrangements to their financial backers. Helium organization was sent off in July 2019 by a flexible group of designers and web pioneers. It's a blockchain stage that used shared advantages to offer Wi-Fi admittance to web gadgets regardless of restricted inclusion or power necessity. Helium token concocted another way to deal with keep people associated through the vicinity of various areas of interest and parts, which incorporates a crypto digger, switch, and a token. The HNT clients interface their switch to comparative gadgets inside their zone. These would frame a web-like lattice of interconnections of gadgets for information while the clients mine their HNT simultaneously as remuneration. The conventional Wi-Fi model highlights a backward inclusion contrasted with the Helium organization. This stage gives a superior option in contrast to web access regardless of your area on the grounds that, with the Helium LongFi convention configuration, admittance to stable web is more straightforward. The Helium area of interest capabilities with the verification of ideas system helps in evading the area of a gadget as it gathers information while keeping up with web security. Helium essential examination. The essentials of a task give verifiable knowledge into the group in real factors, which makes it a productive speculation. Helium organization is endeavoring to fabricate a worldwide interconnection of companion gadgets. This organization was established in 2013 yet didn't go into the blockchain area until some other time in the 10 years. They have consistently centered around network design and decentralization, making blockchain a practical stage for the plan of action. In applying the advantages of blockchain to this present reality for a hampering issue, they gave an answer that works among the non-crypto locals impeccably. The undertaking has conveyed in excess of 25,000 gadgets all over the planet, with more fixation on the US, where their typical inclusion per 10 urban communities is around 80%. They as of late reported extending to Asia and Europe, which will drive more market members and financial backers into the space. The group behind this task is very considerable, and we are well headed to encountering a completely interconnected computerized world. The establishing individuals are Hnt Helium, Forthright Monk, and Sean Fanning. Hnt Helium is the president of Helium organization and an accomplished designer in the gaming area. Straight to the point, Monk is the coup and the promoting supervisor of the organization, while Sean Fanning is the organizer behind Napster, a historic shared music stage, and right now the lead designer in Helium. Helium current cost. Helium is right now worth $2.93 USD. HNT has moved 0.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,500,131. Helium is right now positioned 88 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $404,740,930 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Helium to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Helium market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Helium Value Forecast 2023. Helium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The HNT cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $4.40. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $4.10 in cost is very aggressive, Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. HNT is supposed to have a base worth of $3.52. Helium Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Helium HNT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of HNT will before long outperform $7.33. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the HNT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, HNT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $5.86 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.45. Helium Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $10.26 and HNT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. HNT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9.38 and a low of $8.79 in 2025. Helium Value Expectation 2026. Assuming helium effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the HNT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, HNT will be green in 2026. The HNT is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $13.19, with a base cost of $11.72 and a typical cost of $12.31. Helium Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the HNT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $15.24 by 2027, with a base cost of $14.65 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, HNT has a greatest value worth of $16.12. Helium Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $18.17. On the off chance that HNT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $19.05. Neglecting to accumulate the help HNT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $17.58. Helium Value Expectation 2029. While HNT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $20.52 and a yearly cost close above $21.98 in 2029. Helium Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, helium will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $23.45 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $24.91, averaging out at $24.03. Helium Value Expectation 2031.